Alright guys, welcome to your 5th computer networking tutorial, and in this video I want to go over the different parts of a network. So let me go ahead and build a very standard or typical computer network right now. So obviously, of course, can't have a computer network, at least not in this example, without a couple PCs, and these PCs would just be, your desktop at home, or maybe a laptop if you have one, and maybe, I don't know, at school, maybe you have a server. And if you guys don't know exactly what a server is, then I'm going to be talking about it either in the next video or the later part of this video. But networks usually have servers in them, and let's see, what else would you have at, I don't know, school? A printer that all the computers would be connected to. So here's your printer, here's a little piece of paper. I don't know why I put, writing on that paper when it hasn't even been printed yet. But anyways, you typically have a printer, and then you have your, let's say, network hardware. And this is the stuff that people typically think of whenever they think of computer networking, like routers and your modems and, switches, if you know what those are. So these are all, the kind of networking. I don't want to say these all have to do with networking, but this is typically what people think of, these pieces right here. Now, all of these devices, from, the laptops, the desktops, modems, printers, no matter what it is, every part of a network is called a node. All of these devices are nodes. So this PC, this server, this router, is pretty much any like device, I want to say. And I say that because I'm going to be talking to you guys about something else that's another part of a network that isn't the node. So of course, we have all these devices, but what are we missing in our computer network? Well, kind of, what makes a computer network, a way to connect these devices. So of course, we connect them in different ways, maybe a copper wire, so you have some copper wires, connected to your servers, and maybe I don't know, you have some, let's say, radio waves, Wi-Fi connected to your printer, or maybe you have a wireless router, so there's Wi-Fi coming off here. So basically, any way to connect nodes, whether it's copper wire or fiber optics or just Wi-Fi, all of these things right here, these are called communications media. Communications media. Wow, you probably can't even read that because my handwriting's so bad, but that's basically what a very basic computer network is made up of. At the heart of it is just two parts: nodes, which are pretty much your devices, and communications media, which is whatever means connects those devices, whether it's waves in the air or copper wire, fiber optics, so on and so forth. So remember, all computer networks are made up of two parts: communications media, and they provide ways to transfer data between the nodes. Simple enough?